From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of jarring alarm clocks that shatter your peaceful morning routine? Well, I've got some great news for you. The Nordic Candy Color Cute cartoon hand-painted alarm clock by decibels is here to change that. This adorable little clock is not only a feast for the eyes with its hand-painted cartoon design, but it's also built to last with a sturdy metal frame that has a smooth, cool texture to the touch. One of the standout features of this clock is its quiet movement, which produces a barely audible tick-tock sound that's almost therapeutic, allowing you to sleep peacefully without any jarring noises to disturb you. This clock is also remarkably versatile. It's not just an alarm clock. It's also a decorative piece that can add a touch of whimsy to any room, whether it's your bedroom, living room, or dining room. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's a well-reviewed and popular choice. The noise cancel feature is also a game changer. It ensures that you won't be disturbed by any outside noise, allowing you to get a good night's sleep. The small size of the clock, just 10 by 10 centimeters, makes it perfect for bedside tables or small shelves, and its low decibel sound means you can place it anywhere without worrying about it disturbing you or your family members. Overall, I think this clock is a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable and charming alarm clock that will add a touch of personality to their bedroom. And with its long lifespan, you can enjoy it for years to come. So why not give it a try? As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.